The problem is that in most human cells, telomerase activity is extremely low. It's there, but it's barely doing anything. And this is what makes the CIRBP truly fascinating. In bowhead whales, CIRBP is produced in unusually high quantities, and it does not just protect DNA passively, it actively supports the kind of repair processes that keep genetic damage from accumulating the way it does in most mammals. Its job is basically to move with the cell repair machines, stabilizing things, reducing errors, and keeping the system running cleaner for longer.